teaching. Teaching is a special profession. No other profession will have dignity, respect, and the honor.
And again, once the people say, Balemungro, I'm Balemungro, it goes back, So that Balemungro prakriti, that nature, that kind of Balemungro kind of nature is also inbred in each one of us. We need to be reminded time and again who we are. That is the need for the orientation program like this. It's not that we do not know, we know everything, but we need to be told again and again. That is how we are in fact programmed. Now this orientation program is exactly like that. We know we are who we are, we know what to do, we are aware of the things, but somebody needs to tell us, maybe a friend, maybe a mentor, that they are not very handsome and that we are not intelligent enough or we don't have what it takes. The idea is, like in 3 Idiots, we need to dil idiot hai, pyar se ise tu samjha le. Well, because we need to affirm ourselves continuously. That's very important. At times when we are not feeling at part, that we are underperforming, that we are not as good, then we need to tell ourselves that I am awesome, I am wonderfully made, I am good looking, I am beautiful, I have all that it takes. If you go to bed telling that constantly to yourself, then your performance level will rise.
I told you, we're supposed to have this orientation on 14th, special day, one special day, but we couldn't have it. Father was out of station. He had gone to Bangalore to attend some important function there. So, but having heard him the entire this morning, it was really, it was worth waiting, I should call it. And I decided to listen Father. There are multiple reasons, but one of the reasons is I wanted to,